what most people think that if they got any kind of social media page like on Instagram or Facebook, and that page got some reach and some followers, then they are very good to go for social media marketing, and they are able to do a social media marketing or Instagram marketing for any company or for any organization. They just go and apply for social media marketing position, but they don't know that whether you got some results for your page that is public, and you are posting photos of yours, and due to that you got some followers, that doesn't mean that you will be perfect suit for social media marketing position. Guys, social media marketing is not easy as you think. If you want to do social media marketing or make career on social media marketing, then you have to have these three key skills that is very important. First is researching skill, second one is writing skill, third one is designing skill, and after that your communication plays a very important role, and your managing skills plays a very important role, and all other things that come under that. But social media marketing is not easy. First you have to learn how to do social media marketing, and after that apply for social media marketing position.